Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Wanted to talk to you today about windshield cracks. Now, we are going into mid-January. We're in Northeast Ohio. We are in the hotbed of chipped, cracked, and broken windshields. It might not surprise you to know that cracked and replaced windshields are the number one source of automobile insurance claims that we get here at the Chenier Insurance Agency. So, I wanted to go over with you a little bit about how you can stop the spread of a windshield crack, how you can keep it from going to a chip and stop it from turning into a full-blown crack, and why that is problematic. So, why is a windshield chip in your auto glass dangerous? Um, because the windshield is actually more than just protecting you from air, wind, temperature, and things flying at you from in front of you. The windshield on your automobile is actually a very important part of the vehicle's structural integrity. When the strength of that windshield is compromised due to a crack, the safety and structure of the vehicle is compromised should you be involved in an accident. So it's very important to try and prevent cracks and get them repaired or replaced as soon as possible should you ever get one. So the first step you can do in helping a chip or very, very small splinter crack stop from spreading to a full-blown side-to-side windshield crack, super glue or clear nail polish are very quick, simple tools that you can use to apply to a small windshield crack while you are in the process of making the time to get it into a shop or getting somebody to come out and replace it. So super glue, clear nail polish, or I've also been told that Flex Seal is fantastic in that capacity. If you haven't used Flex Seal is an amazing product for a variety of uses. But what it is it comes out of the tube in a jelly-like substance, and within minutes, it hardens and forms a full rubberized surface. So whether on a side note, you're lining a bathtub, you're fixing a plastic toy, anything you might be using it for, it forms a solid rubberized seal. So Flex Seal is great for small windshield chips or cracks. Avoiding sudden temperature changes is key to preventing full windshield cracks. Now that's a little difficult in Ohio with our weather, which is why windshield cracks and replacements are the number one source of auto claims. It can be 30 degrees for 3 weeks here in Ohio, and then all of a sudden we'll get a weekend of 60-degree days. That kind of temperature change when you've got a small chip or crack in your window can lead to a full splintering across that windshield. So you want to try and avoid that if possible. Again, it's not always practical here in Ohio. We can't control the weather, but avoiding those temperature changes will help when you can. You can also use a third-party aftermarket windshield repair kit to help fix those small chips that you may get in a windshield from a rock or a chunk of salt or whatever it may be. Those are available, and you can use those fairly successfully. Number one, what I would say is if you have a chip or a crack in your windshield is to call and schedule a repair or replacement. Rule of thumb is anything smaller than the length of a dollar bill can be repaired. Anything that spreads greater than the size of a dollar bill is likely going to require a full windshield replacement. On average here in the Canton, Ohio market, you can get a chip epoxy filled and repaired for anywhere from $35 to $45, depending on the size of the chip and where you go, but that's kind of the running rate. If you don't handle that in time and it does spread, you could be looking at a much more sizable bill depending on the type of vehicle you have. If you've got a large pickup truck or an SUV, even a minivan, any of those that come with more of the current technology, a lot of windshields have heating coils in the windshield to help quickly defrost the windshields, to help with ice buildup and that kind of thing. They have sensors in them that are tied to the windshield wipers. So depending on the type of windshield and type of vehicle you have, replacing a windshield could easily run you between $500 and $1,000. Good news is many insurance carriers offer either a separate glass coverage or allow you to carry a $0 comprehensive deductible, which could allow you to get that windshield replaced at no charge out of pocket. I do recommend, if it's just a chip, even if you're paying for that $0 glass coverage, for a small charge like that, it is probably in your best interest to just pay that out of pocket and not add an insurance claim to your loss history. That's just my personal recommendation. Save the claims and your insurance usage for the larger, high dollar, more catastrophic type incidences, because claims can come back to haunt you later on down the road if you choose to switch carriers, or if you would happen to get dropped for one reason or another. That may either prevent you from being eligible with a certain carrier or may prevent you from getting certain claim-free discounts and so forth. But again, those coverages should be available to you. And if you're not sure if you have them, call your agent, call myself. I will take a look at your policy and let you know what options you have for that. So again, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the windshield chips and cracks and how you can keep a very minor issue from becoming a very large and costly problem for yourself. Again, follow our webpage and our website at Chenier Insurance. We'll keep you up to date on many daily insurance 101 type tips like this. And definitely give us a call here. Let us know how we can help you with your insurance, help you save you money, get a better plan in place, and just give you a little better peace of mind. That's what we're here for, and that's what we do. Thanks.